friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Sangeeta and you are watching my channel Simple and Easy Recipes by Sangeeta. If you have not yet subscribed, then please support me by subscribing my channel and also hit the bell icon to get my further video notifications. So today I am presenting one very famous Mughlai cuisine chicken reshmi kebab. Generally, it is not commonly prepared in home due to the absence of charcoal fire, and if you want to have this, then you have to get this from restaurant. But today I will show you in a very simple and easy way how you can make this in home without tandoor, only in gas by using plain tawa. So let's start. Here I have taken 300 gram cubed boneless chicken for the kebabs. Now we'll come to the important part, that is the marination process. I am using hong curd only. To make this hong curd, I took normal curd in a muslin cloth and kept it hanging to drain the excess water. I am taking fresh cream 2 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste, half lemon juice, half teaspoon black pepper powder and salt as per taste. Now I have grated 75 grams of cheese, now crush 2 green chilies and few coriander leaves. Now add this in the bowl. Now here I have taken 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. Just dry roast them in tawa. Once you feel the beautiful aroma is coming, just switch off the flame and add in the bowl. And lastly, add half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Now mix everything very well. This marination will keep the chicken very juicy and tender from inside. Now add the chicken pieces. Now mix everything very well. I'm using my hand for mixing. Now marinate this chicken for at least 4 hours in fridge. You can also marinate this for overnight also. I'm wrapping it with a cling film paper. I will keep this in fridge for marination. Now here I have taken bamboo skewers. These are easily available in market. Now dip these bamboo skewers in hot water for half an hour. This will help the chicken to pierce easily. Now let's make the kebabs. Take this marinated chicken from fridge and add 1 teaspoon of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of oil and mix everything very well. I have not added the oil in the first marination just because the cooking process will get slow. So always add the oil when you want to make the kebab. Now mix everything very well. And now, one by one, pierce the chicken pieces in the skewers. Do not overcrowd. Now I will take another skewer and will repeat the process. Now once you are done, now in a heated tawa, take 1 tablespoon oil and 1 teaspoon of butter. Now place the chicken skewers and cook this in high flame for 2 minutes. Mix it very well. And after 2 minutes, just flip them and cook again that side for 2 minutes in high flame. Now again flip to another side and cook for 5 minutes in low flame and cover the lid. Now after 5 minutes, again flip it and cook them for another 5 minutes in low flame and cover the lid while cooking. You will see the beautiful grill marks on the chicken. Like this, cook for another 7 to 8 minutes. Now if you do not have any charcoal in your home, then to get the BBQ smell, you can directly hold the skewers on the fire. Just directly hold the skewers and rotate the skewers for few seconds. You can see the grill marks and the BBQ smell is also coming. Now to get the smoky effect in the chicken, take a charcoal and directly burn that charcoal in fire. Now I have already placed a small bowl inside the tawa and I have added there 1 teaspoon of oil. Now just add the burnt charcoal on that. Once you see the smoky effect, just cover the lid for 2 minutes. Serve the hot malai kebabs with your green chutney. You will get the recipe of green chutney in the description box. I hope you like this recipe. Do try and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Share with your friends and family and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.